Hello everyone, we are in Germany, Black Europe 2024 in Hanover. This is our booth, please come. Hall 13 G72, we are here, come here, we will have a more discussion about machines, about thread brake, CNC, about shearing machine, about laser cutting machine, about rolling machine, hydraulic presses. We are here guys, come. We have a more discussion about machine. We will give you very good price with good discount. Come to Germany. Come to Black Europe 2024. We are waiting you. HARSLE, save time, money. HARSLE, save time, money.
HARSLE. Save time, money.